everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have a couple of things. I finally got some of my Sincerely Rylee packages, and there's gonna be a lot of fabric.
Complete access! My mother, the fabric girl!
So, that being said, so I got this. This is definitely not stretchy. I think this is woven, but it's very, very pretty. I think you can make a pretty blanket or something like that. I also got this one. Same thing. This will make a really beautiful baby dress. And it's got this texture. So you can see that.
Oh.
Ooh. Look at this one. This also will make a beautiful top or dress. And these are wovens. I also got this one here, and this was a bundle that came together. These two look really pretty together. Next, I have this beautiful color, and this looks to be woven too. Same as this one, and this is beautiful, by the way. And this is gonna make some beautiful dresses, even tops or cardigans. This is stretchy, and it's like a
stretchy.
Yep, pale rosy color. And
like
this was
teal.
a bundle.
Like a teal.
No, that's definitely not teal. And this is also stretchy fabric. That's what this one looks like. I also got this one, and this looks to be woven too, and it's absolutely beautiful. I think this will make either a beautiful dress, a top, or even a beautiful blanket. These are stretchy and very, ooh, this is soft. Soft.
Make a pillow.
This is beautiful.
Make a pillow.
Along with this, which was a bundle together with this. I'm going to move this pile to the side. This is just one box, and I want you to see the size of this box. I have a second one. Ooh, look at this one.
Why is this glass of milk right on the table?
This is drinking milk.
Yeah.
This is really pretty. It's got texture to it.
Mm-hmm.
Next one in the box is this one. And it's like a lighter pink. And we also have this, it's like a mustard with little hints of gray and black in its color.
A mustard.
Mustard.
Like a dark yellow mustard color.
Dark yellow mustard color. Oh my goodness, we made it to the end.
Wait.
Look at that one.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Feel soft.
So I got this one. I was curious about this one. I wanted to make some baby girl outfits, and I think this is going to turn out so pretty. It could even be a dress. And this is soft and stretchy. I also got this one. It's got texture to it. Hope you can see it on there. Onto box number 2. And again, if you purchase from Sincerely Rylee, if you purchase from her, you can put a hold on your order, and she'll fill up the box and refund you the extra shipping that might be charged. And tell you they will fill up the boxes. They will fill up the boxes to the max. And yes, it does have some weight to it. Next one that we have here is this beautiful color. Oh, feels different. Ooh, look at this, Noah. What do you think of this one?
Soft, I like it.
You like? So there's this one, which goes with that bundle right there. It's very soft.
But is it my decision to make?
And then there's this beautiful lace.
Oh, I like that one. It's like a darkish.
It's like
It's like a darkish greenness.
It's like a leafy.
What? It's like a dark leaf color. Like.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so. Because it just looks like a leaf color, like dark leaf.
Next, I have this black one. It's also stretchy. And I might have to move some of this out of the way. The next one I have, I actually don't. Oh, it is. I have these yellow color one. It is stretchy. It's actually quite pretty. It's got this different texture look to it.
What is that? It looks like a wag. It looks like a rag.
It's not a rag, it's got a name to it. I think it's, I gotta ask what it's called, but isn't it pretty though? What do you think of the colors?
It's like it's a rainbow color.
It's like a rainbow color. So the next one I have here is this one. It is absolutely beautiful.
And it's a rainbow color.
And this is what the texture looks like. Let's see. And it does have some stretch to it. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have to start putting some of these on the side. This is the one I have next. You can see the texture to it as well. It's really pretty. Oh, it's got like holes. Like it's.
Oh, that's pretty nice. I love that.
I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this one.
Just make you a dress. No baby dress.
It could be actually. Underline it with something else. Ooh, look at this color.
Oh, that looks like violet purple.
More like a lavender.
Like a lavender violet purple.
A lavender violet purple. And this is what this one looks like.
My mom has a bunch of fabric.
Yes, I do.
She has fabric up on the shelf. She's a fabric.
I'm a fabric. I can't reach the bottom of this.
Mommy.
We did it.
Ooh, that looks like a violet. That looks like a violet whitish. It's a violet white. It's a violet white.
Come on in. Since you were become a full critic.
A full critic.
There we go.
Don't mind me.
So this is the next one that's in here. It's
And
got
it's
like
a beautiful color.
Yeah, it's got like a tie-dye effect look to it.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful color.
Oh my gosh. You have that one.
Nope. And this looks like it might be woven as well. It's beautiful though. Look at the color. And it's just fuzz from the other fabrics, by the way.
I forgot to.
It's beautiful blue. It looks a little lighter on camera, but it's more like a navy blue. I feel like I've been buried by fabric. This beautiful pink seam might be woven. Probably you can tell by the edges. And it's beautiful pink.
I'm going to bed.
You guys, you might not be able to see him soon.
What?
Ooh, look at this one now. What do you think of this one?
Wait, did you just do that one?
Nope, that one's been there for a little bit.
The pink one, I like it.
Yeah. What do you think of this one?
But why did you do this? Don't mind me. I'm a yellow belt. Don't mind me.
This is the next one. It's beautiful. It's like a sweater knit type of fabric.
My mother's a yellow belt and I'm a yellow belt. So, even good.
Yeah. And last but not least is this one. It is absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of when I brought him home, actually. He had an outfit made with fabric very similar to this, and I still have it. And I accidentally have bought it 3 times while I was pregnant. I bought the same outfit in 3 different sizes. So I got to actually put him on that outfit on 3 different occasions. At least sizes wise. But this is what this one looks like. So
weird.
That being said, I think that we're going to wrap this video up. It's going to be a long one and I apologize. This is, I think, everything so far that was on hold or purchase.
My
One of these orders had been purchased a while ago. And we had a long story short, they're here. And I will say that customer service, it's on point. If I were to rate it, it's 100%. You can reach out to her or her admins. Again, you can join the Facebook group. They're super quick to get back to you, very helpful. Anything at all that you want to reach out to them to, please do so. This is a great company to support. I absolutely love them. I will be refolding all of these and making room on the shelf.
Excuse me, guys. You have to hear this. Okay, now my mom's gonna talk. Thank you.
That being said, I have to make room on the shelf, and I will be doing that in a little while. Probably not today, honestly. Nope. I have been cutting up some fabrics to get ready for restocking. I'll probably do a video on that. I haven't really been recording much on that. I've just been cutting away. The plan will be just to cut as much as I can and start sewing and do a big restocking at the shop. I also have to get more ink and things like that for stickers because I have to redo my stickers. I also want to add new stickers on there. I've been letting things just kind of sell out and haven't really done much updating on the shop at the moment because I want to prep a bunch of things to put on there brand new. And I'm going to be clearing out a lot of the wax melts that I already have here to make room for new ones. And other than that, I should be adding also some cloth diapers and add to. Yes, so I should be, I don't think those are added on there yet, so I should be adding those, and then once I add the cloth diapers, new wax melt stickers, new baby clothes, the Etsy shop should be hopefully going back to its normal stages, and then I should be able to keep up with it. But yes, so I hope everyone has a great weekend. My dear son, my guest. We're gonna get going. I have some work in the backyard, and we are hoping to make it to the park or something fun to do before hopefully it doesn't storm on us again. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.